Hello, today I will guide you on how to enable or disable CTRL+Alt+Del Secure Logon in Windows 11 10. Step 1, open Local Security Policy. Open the search menu and type Local Security Policy. Click on the best match to open it. Step 2, navigate to Security Options. Expand Local Policies by double-clicking it, then select Security Options from the left panel. Step 3, modify Interactive Logon Settings. On the right side, scroll down to find Interactive Logon. Do not require CTRL+Alt+Delete. Double-click it to open. Step 4, enable or disable secure login. To remove the requirement, select Enabled. To require Ctrl+Alt+Delete before login, select Disabled. Click Applies OK. Step 5, verify secure login in user account settings. Open the search menu, type NetPlusWiz, and press Enter. In the Advanced tab, check if require users to press Ctrl+Alt+Delete is enabled. If it is already enabled, no further changes are needed. Restart your computer to ensure the setting is applied. You have successfully enabled or disabled the secure login requirement.